The descent into the abyss, an oceanic investigation. Imagine a place shrouded in absolute darkness, so cold and impenetrable that not a single ray of light can reach it. A place where immense pressure is capable of crushing anything daring enough to venture down. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth's surface, a realm so mysterious that humanity has barely scratched its surface. For centuries, this abyss has remained an untouchable domain of the ocean, concealing secrets that science has yet to unravel. Strange, otherworldly creatures, eerie sounds echoing from the depths, and even theories of extraterrestrial life lurking beneath the waves. These enigmas have turned the Mariana Trench into one of the planet's greatest mysteries. But is it merely an unimaginable deep chasm, or could it be a gateway to another world, one that no human has ever set foot in? We are about to embark on a chilling journey to uncover the secrets of Earth's deepest abyss. Prepare yourself, for what you are about to discover may forever change the way you see the ocean and the world we live in. Geological structure. The planet's sharp jaw. Across the vast ocean, deep trenches carve through the Earth's surface like scars, hiding mysteries yet to be unraveled. But none are as terrifying or enigmatic as the Mariana Trench, the deepest cut ever discovered. If Earth were a giant creature, then the Mariana Trench would be its shark-like jaw, ready to swallow anything that dares to fall in. Mariana compared to other deep trenches. The Mariana Trench is not the only deep trench in the world. The vast ocean floor contains hundreds of others, such as the Tonga Trench in the South Pacific, which plunges to 10,800 meters, and the Chromatic Trench, reaching a depth of 10,047 meters. These figures are impressive, yet they still pale in comparison to the Challenger Deep, the lowest known point of the Mariana Trench, which sinks to an astonishing 10,994 meters. To put its scale into perspective, if Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, were placed inside, it would disappear beneath nearly 2,000 meters of seawater, vanishing into the cold, dark abyss. Why is the Mariana Trench the deepest? What makes the Mariana Trench the deepest point on the planet? This is no coincidence. It lies at the boundary of two massive tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Mariana Plate. As these plates collide, the Pacific Plate is slowly forced beneath the Mariana Plate, creating a vast geological depression. Over millions of years, this immense pressure has pushed the ocean floor deeper and deeper. Unlike other seabeds that are gradually filled with sediment, the Mariana Trench remains largely unchanged due to the thick oceanic crust that prevents it from being filled by geological flows. Can the trench get even deeper? But depth is not the only thing that makes the Mariana Trench a dangerous place. The movement of tectonic plates here can trigger devastating earthquakes and tsunamis. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake, which generated a tsunami over 40 meters high and devastated Japan, originated from a similar subduction zone. If a powerful earthquake were to strike directly at the Mariana Trench, it could unleash a colossal tsunami capable of sweeping across the entire Pacific region. Scientists even warn that, in the future, Mariana could be at the center of a mega earthquake, leading to an unprecedented chain of natural disasters. Yet, the Mariana Trench is more than just a deep scar on the ocean floor. It is a powerful force of planetary transformation, a place where geological processes are constantly shaping the Earth. As the Pacific Plate continues to be drawn further into the depths, the trench itself may become even deeper over millions of years. But is there a limit to this change? Could there come a day when the pressure reaches its breaking point, triggering a cataclysmic geological event that alters the ocean forever? Crushing pressure, a world not made for humans. If the ocean is a mysterious kingdom, then the Mariana Trench is its throne of darkness, a place where even light cannot reach. But the most terrifying thing about it is not just the cold or the pitch black depth. It is the unimaginable pressure, far beyond anything humans have ever experienced. How extreme is the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? At sea level, we live under a pressure of about 1 atmosphere (atm), equivalent to 1 kilogram per square centimeter. However, as we descend deeper, pressure increases exponentially. At the depth of 10,994 meters, the pressure in the Mariana Trench reaches a staggering 1,086 atm, more than 1,000 times the If someone were to fall into the trench without protection, death would be instant, even faster than suffocation. Lungs would collapse completely under the immense pressure, making it impossible to breathe. Internal organs would be compressed, much like a balloon being squeezed until it bursts. The body's entire structure would be crushed, as bones and soft tissues cannot withstand pressures exceeding 1,000 atm. Not only humans, but most ordinary objects would also be crushed long before reaching the bottom. This is why no conventional submarine can descend into the Mariana Trench without being deformed or completely destroyed. What technology can reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench? To explore the deepest place on Earth, humans need specially designed vessels capable of withstanding extreme pressures without breaking apart. Escape Trieste, 1960, the first manned vessel to reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench. It featured a 12.7 centimeters thick steel sphere, allowing it to endure the crushing pressure. Deep Sea Challenger 2012, a submersible piloted by filmmaker James Cameron, known for directing Titanic. He became the first person to make a solo dive to the trench's depths in this advanced, pressure-resistant vessel. Modern exploration robots. Today, unmanned vehicles like Nereus and Keiko are primarily used to explore the trench, as they can withstand the pressure without requiring human presence. Could humans ever live at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? With continuous advancements in technology, scientists are working on ways to enable human survival in extreme environments like the Mariana Trench. However, even with a perfectly designed submersible, living there would be a nightmare. Near freezing temperatures, absolute darkness, and ever-present crushing pressure would make any small design flaw. For now, the bottom of the Mariana Trench remains an uninhabitable world, one that challenges the very limits of human exploration. Body is almost transparent, with barely any bones. Only a soft, gelatinous structure that helps it withstand extreme pressure. Dumbo octopus, named after its ear-like fins that resemble an elephant's ears, this strange octopus glides gracefully across the deep sea. Living at depths of 3,000 to 7,000 meters, it can change color to blend into the darkness. Atala jellyfish. Unlike ordinary jellyfish, this deep-sea species emits a bright red glow when threatened. It uses this sudden flash of light to confuse predators before vanishing into the abyss, creating a stunning light show in the deep sea. Deep-sea cucumbers. These bizarre creatures look like something out of an alien world. Their long, soft, and sometimes transparent bodies lack eyes, relying instead on special tentacles to sense their surroundings. These creatures have evolved in ways unimaginable to humans, developing extraordinary adaptations to survive in a place where even steel would be crushed under immense pressure. But these are only the species we have discovered. Could giant creatures exist in the Mariana Trench? The ocean remains an uncharted world for humankind. We have explored only 5% of the ocean, and most of its deepest regions, like the Mariana Trench, are still a mystery. This raises an intriguing question. Could giant, undiscovered sea creatures be lurking in the depths? Some deep-sea exploration devices have detected massive, shadowy figures moving along the trench floor, but scientists have yet to determine what they are. Many cultures have legends of sea monsters, such as the Kraken, a giant octopus said to be capable of sinking entire ships. Some scientists believe these myths could have originated from real, but unknown deep-sea creatures. In 2007, a robotic submersible spotted a strange, 10-meter-long creature. But before it could be studied, the mysterious being disappeared into the darkness. While science has yet to confirm the existence of supersized deep-sea creatures, it is clear that what we know about the Mariana Trench is only the tip of the iceberg. If life exists in the Mariana Trench, solar system. Scientists believe that a vast ocean lies beneath Europa's thick ice, possibly containing life forms similar to those in the Mariana Trench. Enceladus, Saturn's moon. Like Europa, Enceladus has subsurface oceans with geysers ejecting water into space. Some studies suggest its ocean has chemical similarities to Earth's oceans, making it a candidate for alien life. Exoplanets with oceans. If planets beyond our solar system have liquid oceans similar to Earth's, they might also host bizarre creatures, perhaps even more mysterious than those in the Mariana Trench. The existence of deep-sea creatures on Earth proves that life is incredibly adaptable. Perhaps, somewhere in the vast universe, alien life is not so different from the strange beings hiding in our own oceans. Mysterious sounds, noises from another world. Western Pacific Bioway, a sound from the deep. In 2014, scientists recorded one of the strangest sounds ever detected in the ocean, known as the Western Pacific Bioway. This eerie noise lasts between 3 to 5 seconds and has an unusually wide frequency range, spanning from 38 Hz to 8,000 Hz, similar to the vocal range of many marine animals, yet unlike anything heard before. At first, several theories emerged. Could it be the call of a massive, unknown sea creature, perhaps a new species of whale? Or was it a signal from an extraterrestrial being? If alien life truly exists in the depths of the Mariana Trench, some speculated it might be the echo of secret underwater bases, or even the sound of submarines operating at extreme depths. It wasn't until 2016 that experts proposed a possible explanation. The sound might be the communication call of the bride's whale. However, this remains just a theory, as the sound differs significantly from any previously recorded whale calls. The bloop, a deep-sea mystery linked to the Mariana Trench. Before the Western Pacific Bioway, another mysterious sound had puzzled scientists for decades. It was the bloop, a super powerful, ultra-low frequency sound recorded in 1997 in the South Pacific Ocean. Why was the bloop so extraordinary? The sound had an extremely high amplitude, strong enough to be heard across thousands of kilometers. Initially, scientists believed it was caused by a colossal marine creature, possibly larger than the blue whale, the biggest known animal on Earth. However, after years of study, the NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, concluded that the bloop was most likely the sound of ice breaking off Antarctica. Yet, something doesn't add up. The frequency of the bloop does not match typical ice sounds, leading many to believe it could still be the call of an undiscovered deep-sea creature lurking in the abyss of the ocean. What else is the Mariana Trench hiding? The Mariana Trench is not only the deepest point on Earth, but also a place where countless mysteries remain